Heading straight into the video, I'm going to show you how I flipped 1,000 Rand up until 7,000 Rand. Secondly, I didn't trade using my Cash College robot today, but my clients did. What my robot basically does is that it trades the way I trade. It's basically a plug and play system which you connect to your trading account. To get access to the robot, you want to make sure that you click the first link in the description. As you have seen, the screenshots that I've been putting right here, they are basically reviews from today's trades, which the robot didn't take on my side because it was off, but it did take for my clients because they insisted on. So to get the robot, make sure you click the first link in the description. Stay until the end of the video, because what I'm gonna do as well is show you guys the setup that I shared with the VIP members in my VIP group. So for all of that, click the link in my description to talk to me via WhatsApp and I can help you out. But for now, let's get to the free flipping technical analysis price action strategy that I am basically going to be teaching you today. I'm going to be trying to be as slow, steady as possible, and I'm going to be teaching you guys like fifth graders. So if you're an expert, you better be patient, and if you're a beginner, I believe I'm going to make it easy for you to understand. So stick up until the end of the video, because you will make money from this strategy, whether you like it or not. You guys can see I'm opened up on the 4th hour time frame. I use higher time frames like the 1 hour, 4 hour and daily time frame to actually see the overall movement of the market. Once I can see the overall movement of the market with the naked eye, that basically confirms what I'm going to be trading for the entire day. So let's hop into the chart so I can show you guys how exactly I caught today's movement. So we are currently sitting on the 4 hour time frame, and what I'm going to be doing is resetting the chart with the naked eye. You can basically see that we are initially going up, right? So I basically highlighted this high right here because it gave me signs that, you know what, we are going up because we broke a high. So every time we break a high, we always should wait for a retest. So with price action strategy, this is how it works. For every breaking point, whether it be a trend line, whether it be a zone, you always wait for your retest, and basically after the retest, then you can trade the movement that the market is going to. So for example, if the market is going up like this, but we see a break in the trend line, what you want to do is wait for a retest of a trend line so that you can basically confirm the new direction, which is going to be down. So every break initiates a change of direction, but first you want to wait for a retest to confirm that new direction. Hopefully you guys understand. So if we have a zone and the market breaks a zone, to confirm that it is going up, we're going to wait for a retest and basically wait for it to give us a continuation of the change of direction, right? So that is basically what's happening on the screen. Right, so right now you can see I highlighted the high. So what you want to do, what I always tell my clients, is when you open the charts, especially the 4 hour time frame, higher time frames to be exact, you want to highlight the highest point of the market and the lowest point of the market. In this case, I am going to be filling this block with red, right? Just so you guys can visually see this, right? So this was our previous high up until the market broke it, right? So it was like this, and then it basically broke it, right? So what did I say about breaking of things is that you should wait for it to come back so that you can take a trade, right? So once it comes back, we basically know that it's going up again, right? So that's basically the price action strategy in terms of zones. So right now in the morning, I woke up to the market with it breaking the highest point of the market, right? After breaking, I saw that it's gonna take a long time for it to come back. That sometimes happens with higher time frames. You'd see that with higher time frames, it takes a bit of a while for them to actually come back and retest to a zone actually, or to a trend line. So what you can do is actually go shorter. So go shorter, I mean go check your 1 hour, go check your 30, your 15, your 5 minute candle time frames actually. So right here you can see that the market is going up, so I already know the movement that I'm looking for, which is bullish. So there's no way I'm going to be entering sales on this bullish movement, right? So what I did is actually went to the 5-minute time frame. I went to the 5-minute time frame, and at that time it was like this, right? Remember, the market had just broke, right? So we're looking at this point right here. The market had just broke, but now since the market had just broke and basically it just left us, it never came back on the 5-minute time frame. So usually when it does this, you keep on highlighting the new highs. So remember, I highlighted the highs on the 4-hour time frame. Now I'm highlighting the highs on the 5-minute time frame. So on each high, I'll be waiting for a retest. I won't enter up until I get a retest. Since one, I confirm the overall direction of the market. Secondly, what I'm going to do is, for me to enter, I'm going to enter on a higher low, which is basically it retesting where it broke, right? The high that it broke. If it doesn't retest, we just keep on looking for new highs. Say hi to Kitty. He's always scared when I pick him up. But yeah, I want to analyze with him. What do you think? What do you think is gonna happen on gold tomorrow? You see, he looked up. That means it's still my gold. But by the way, oh, one scratch away. Now your shit scratching me. Come on, scratch me like that. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Kitty, don't scratch. Don't scratch me. So like I was saying, right here you can see that the market just flew. We confirmed it on the 4-hour time frame that the market never came back to retest on the 4-hour time frame, right? I want to give you guys a little diagram or little pattern to have in your heads before I continue with this. When the market is bullish, we are looking at this type of trend. We are looking at higher lows and higher highs. This is basic, simple patterns that everybody knows, especially when you are an advanced Forex trader. So these are what we call higher lows and higher highs. This is what happens when the market goes up. It doesn't initially just press up. It has patterns in between. So this is your, let me highlight them. This is your higher low, and then this is your higher high, right? And same for everything. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Same. So if you're moving in a bullish momentum, what we want to do is enter our buys on higher lows, because if we enter our buys on higher highs, the market will basically do what to us. It will first go down, basically we'll lose a lot of capital, and if you're not funded enough, you basically end up losing your capital. So you want to make sure that you trade your buys on a higher low so that the market, as soon as you enter, spikes up, right? And you basically want to catch more entries on every higher low. Hopefully you guys understand me. That is what we're going to be doing today. So remember, in terms of zones, we trade breakouts and retest of zones. So with the market, if you don't see a retest, or if you don't see the market coming back, just keep on highlighting the new highs. Anywhere where it retests on the current high, you basically now can take the trade. But if it just flies up, it's way too risky to enter a trade. Always wait for the dip before you can buy. You see? So what's happening here on the 5-hour 5-minute time frame is that the market went up, kept shooting up, and if you can check right here is where I highlighted. I'm gonna highlight it in red, right? Let me not even highlight it. Let me just do this. So right here is where actually the market was like this. I saw a new high and I basically highlighted this as a zone, right? Couldn't trade it, so I waited for the market to shoot up and come back to that high. Otherwise, I was not touching it, right? So what it did is that it came back. Now, one thing about the market when it comes back to a retest level, if we are going up and in terms of zones, we want to trade breakout, and retest of zones, continuation of the movement basically. What we want to do is confirm with candles. So since we're at a high right now, and like I said, we're looking for buys overall, we're at a high, we're at a smaller time frame, what next after we see that it's retesting? We wait for a candle to tell us that. So we want to see that the movement of going up again is happening again since it came back to retest. But right now we are on a sell candle. As you can see right here, we're on a sell candle. So we're waiting for a bullish candle to confirm. After the bullish candle confirms, that's when we can enter, right? Still on the 5 minutes. If you check, we got the bullish candle. Now we are more valid for entries. So you enter on a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. Some people use 1 to 10. For me, it's way too risky. Some people use 1 to 3 like me, right? Quick in and out movement, right? So risk to reward 1 to 3. I'm not sure if it's on 1 to 3 right now. Let me check it. It's on 2.6. So anywhere between 1 and 3, guys, right? So as you can see, if we continue the movement, you'd see that we actually hit take profit. I just can't control this thing right here. Let me just do this. Okay, cool. So we were here. You'll see that we entered just after the bullish candle confirmed. After the bullish candle confirmed that we are going up, you enter on the next candle and basically use the risk to reward ratio 1 to 3, right? So with that being said, after this movement, you can basically just do the same. Highlight the next high. Where's the next high? Let's basically try. So as you can see, here's a high right here, right? Here's the high. You basically wait for the market to, let me just shift it that side. You wait for the market to break that high. It broke it. What next do we wait for? For it to come back. It's going, it came back, right? It came back, so we can confirm that the market came back. It's retesting. But can we confirm that it gave us a candle that it's going up? We don't know yet, so we still wait. There is a candle, another candle that we see that confirms that the retest is done. We are still moving up. After that, you can basically do the same thing again. Enter 1 to 3 and basically let the market trade again. Another take profit. So it's as simple as that. We only traded one movement today, which is the first one that I did with you guys. But it's very easy. With each and every break, just wait for a retest and then wait for the candle to confirm and then go straight to the top with the movement. Just keep on highlighting your higher highs. So right now, currently, let's see, this is the new high that the market has gave us, right? We basically see we wait, and currently the market is playing within these zones. All right, there it is again. It basically came back. You take the trade and basically go up with the market, right? But as you can see right now, it's kind of consolidating the point. But you'd see that if you took the trade after that recent high, you would be still going up. Gold is still pushing up. Still pushing up. I can highlight another high right here. And I'll wait for the high to be broken, retest it, and trade again. That's basically how we caught this movement, while keeping in fact that we are still waiting for more buys on the 4-hour time frame, because it is possible that the market can come back to this zone right here and give us even stronger buys. So since the market has been shifting in such a powerful way to the upwards, I can say, you can actually say that the market is going to give us a strong sell, because how the market moves is that it goes higher high, higher low, higher low. Not on every time frame though. That's not on every time frame actually will you find the higher lows and higher highs. So you actually have to go down to actually see them. Remember, the higher time frames, you use them to calculate or to see with the naked eye the overall movement. Then the lower time frames, it's where you catch your entries, right? So hopefully you guys understood the video. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I don't really know if you guys like this kind of videos. I just decided to be kind to and share with you guys. But my VIP group 8, like I said, if you want the robot to make things for you easier, it just trades for you. If you're a 9-to-5 person or you're in school, you don't have time to trade and analyze, look at the screen, you can simply get the robot. The first link is in the description. Or if you want to know how to analyze and join my VIP group, you can do the same by clicking on the link in the description as well, the first link in the description. But this is normal and simple price action strategy. This has helped me a lot in my life, and hopefully can help someone out there, because I just want to help one person. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, as this is completely exhausting. So a subscribe won't hurt. But yeah, you know I love you guys. So first things first, I've been having a lot of things in my mind. I don't know what you call you guys, because I'm going to explain what the 999 means. I believe a lot of you guys know. Firstly, it's from Juice WRLD, and yeah, there's a lot between my tattoo. I'm seeing a lot of people talking about my tattoo, so I'm going to make a video strictly about that. Basically, it's going to be about my life and everything, because I think it's better you guys know me in person, and I love you guys. So like I was saying, what should I call you guys? Like, the name I should use, like, I don't know what name to use for you guys, like, I wanna generate a family, so I don't know, because my business is Cash College, and then I love 999. I basically put 999 everywhere. I follow 999 people. It's in my bio. I'm tattooed with it, It's just my angelic number. I love it very much, but I don't know what to call you guys. So put in the comment what you guys think it should be called, and then I'll just simply pick one, guys. And then I'll be giving away a lot of money on my Cash College community group, my Telegram. That's the second link in the description. Make sure you join, because every Friday 8 p.m. I give away free e-wallets. So you want to make sure 1,000 Rand e-wallets to one person, sometimes 2 or 3. So you want to make sure that you join the group as well. But yeah, guys, it's been lovely having you guys here. I think I'm going to be on YouTube a lot. The next video is coming soon. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And as always, stay prayed up.